Want to cite like a pro in Microsoft Word? Use Mendeley. It's a free and powerful software. First of all, you need to go to mendeley.com and you have to create your free account. After that, you need to download the Mendeley Reference Manager. So I will guide you through that. In Google, you can type Reference Manager, right? So after that, you can see here is a Mendeley Reference Manager. You can just hit download now. After you download the Reference Manager, you should be able to get the Reference Manager. After downloading the Mendeley Reference Manager, you can see this in your desktop. It has two different forms, one the desktop version and another online version. You can see this in online form as well. So all the references which you will be using for your any research paper or any other citation purpose will be imported here. So after this, you will need one more thing, that is you need MS Word plugin for the Mendeley. So for that, go to this desktop version and you should be able to see tool, and from tool you can directly install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. So just click through it. After that, you should be able to get it. So click get it now. So it will take a little bit of time. And now you can open your Microsoft Word. So let's see, I open my Microsoft Word and now I can see under reference section, I can see this Mendeley site button, right? So now if you click this, all the reference which were in that Mendeley Reference Manager also pop up here. So how you will gonna cite some references? Let's say you have some of the references here. So I'll just put my cursor here, and then let's say here I'm trying to get this citation. So I just click it and then I say import, and then those reference will be imported here. And how you will gonna import these references? So you can do in multiple way. One way is to add by importing files, by importing different research publication files, and you can also import the library. And another easiest way is you can also add manually as well. So you don't need to add manually. You can search the DOI or maybe research paper name and something like that as well, right? And there is another easiest method. What you can do is you can install Mendeley plugin, like which I did. Let's say I have Mendeley Web importer. So from this, you should be able to capture the reference of that particular web. Let's see, I have this research publication opened in my browser. So I should be able to import the reference. So I'm hitting the import button. See, now I have these references added to the Mendeley. So if I open my MS Office, so you need to first of all refresh this. See, you can see the same reference here. So I can just click and then import this sliders. I hope this helps. If you have any question, comment, information regarding how to use it, you can just comment me. Please subscribe my channel for such content. Thank you.